Hey guys, Squishy Squad here. That's Luke. I'm Aiden, and today we are going to be naming squishies. So Luke, so you start off.
Oh my god. So, this is my weird bread.
This is a kitty burger.
This is a pie.
Be careful.
Coffee.
Gummy bear, pink gummy bear.
Face bun. Face bun.
Litter box.
Cupcake.
Brownie.
Wait, that's orange. What?
It's an orange brownie.
Jumbo cake. This is my favorite right now.
Jumbo cake.
A panda bun.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Oh, wow. Hello Kitty. Eggo.
Hello Kitty macaroon.
Pig, I think.
Cat.
Cookies.
Bread.
Wait, guys, I got a question. Do you ever just plug a charger into your head and think, I got the power? By the way, popcorn.
Slow it down.
Carl bread.
And this is my second favorite. This heart.
Oh, bread.
Bum bum. Me.
Dog macaroon.
Wait, that's a macaroon?
Yeah.
Okay, light pink litter box. I don't know why.
Weird pink ghost.
Guys, slow down. It's only 2 minutes in.
Okay. But at the end, we're going to play with that.
Oh, yeah, and I'm going to ask you some questions.
This is egg.
Another paw print. I got the power.
This is a bear macaroon.
Mickey Mouse macaroon.
Dumpling with a face.
Girl panda bun.
Another egg.
Broken ghost.
Yo,
Panda bun.
tell me the best squishy joke you can come up with.
Let me think.
10.
What
9.
is 11's favorite squishy? The Eggo. I don't get it, okay? I'm not good at jokes.
Good job, Aiden.
Why did the squish cross the road? To get to the E instead of squishy?
I don't get it. I don't get
No,
it.
I mean like.
Can we stop this and just go?
Like this kind of
Okay, let's go.
French fries.
Green donut.
Meat, donut.
Melon bun. At least I think that's what it's called.
Hey, look at the camera,
Weird
guys.
pink donut.
I am looking at the camera. Cupcake.
Another dog macaroon.
Yo,
Whatever this is called. He's the filmer.
This is a
You guys
Hello
are
Kitty
garbage at
donut.
basketball. Don't laugh.
Let's say this is my eye. Okay? This is my eye.
I need a face bun. This is my face.
Champagne Bud Night. Eggo.
Woo!
It's time for grapes.
Look, you don't need to yell, okay? Oreo. Golden Oreo, actually.
Pink brownie. Pinky.
You're gonna call it Pinky? Okay, I'm gonna do two this time because they're both the same. Pink donuts. Churros, because he won't find the squishy quick.
Hey, Luke.
Heart.
Yeah.
My other eye.
Carl.
Wait, you call him Carl?
Yes.
I'm hungry.
My mouth. Wait, no, give me that. Give me that.
What is he doing with the
Okay,
fork?
so guys, I'm hungry.
Oh, let's let some cold air.
Emoji.
Woo!
Melon bun.
It's a melon. Green donut.
French fry.
That's a popsicle.
Hey, Aiden, get your face in here. Back up some.
Bear macaroon.
Luke, you back up some too.
Donut.
Hey, we're at 5 minutes.
Okay, we need to get this done quick. Okay, Poopy. And these are all Nicki Minaj.
Wait, what?
This is.
Wait a second. Hey,
It's a pie.
stop, you're gonna knock out the camera. Okay, guys, pick up the squishies. I'm gonna ask you some
Carl.
questions next.
Okay.
Carl.
Look, we gotta. No, can this video be at least 15 minutes?
I think it's
And
gonna be
these
like
ones
10.
are Carl.
No, I want it to be at least 15.
Okay, so guys, I have some questions for you. Sit down.
Wait, let me just get these squishes back on the table. Now all of them are just gonna be in random places.
Okay, go for it.
Ugh.
Hey, I can pick up a.
I know at the end we have to pick all of these up.
I'm gonna grab a squishy with my foot.
Okay, so now it's just gonna go on until 15 minutes. Okay?
Dang it!
Cool. Okay,
Wait, we're cool? We're cool?
I guess. I mean, I don't know how it's gonna last that long, but whatever.
It is. I've made a video that long. Well, I mean, way more than that long.
I mean, but until I verify you guys,
What is
you
it?
guys can't.
Luke,
You guys.
don't do that.
I
15
just want
minutes
to
is
test
your
my
limit.
graphics.
Here you go. Okay,
Jump.
so I'm gonna ask you some questions now. You ready?
Okay, ask me questions first.
Okay, I'm gonna ask both of you. Okay, so Aiden, what is your favorite squishy?
My favorite squishy, I think, would be the French fries because they're just so cute. Look at that face.
Okay, now Lukey, what is your favorite squishy?
This pink cat burger.
Hey, that's
just
mine.
look at the face and this nice cake.
It's not yours.
Okay, so got anything you want to say to the viewers?
So, guys, if you want to check out our next squishy video, comment down below if you want us to do like a blindfold game where like we have to reach into the squishy bucket and we have to try and guess what squishy it is by squishing it and feeling it. Or if you want us to do like a squishy basketball game like we landed into the basket. So, comment down below. Bye.
And this is my least favorite squishy.
Yeah.
Bye.
Wait,
Peace out.
what's your least favorite squishy, Aiden?
These crackers. Bye.
I thought you guys said you were gonna play with them.
Oh
yeah.
Oh.
Have fun squishing.
Okay, so guys, I just wanted to give you a reminder. Have fun squishing.
Squish, squish, squish. Piggy squish.
Can I play?
Sure. Come in, Noah.
Yay!
To the domes.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Cringy White Boy.
And this is Grapey Grape.
Here you go. What's this?
Great.
Ah, there you go. Magic, what? Huh?
What's
going on here? It's raining squishies! Oh no, it's raining on Luke too!
It's raining.
Oh god.
Oh gosh.
Make it rain! Make it rain squishies!
Okay.
Okay, guys, so that's gonna be.
Okay, I'm gonna make it rain squishies on you.
No! Don't throw it at the camera, guy!
Luke,
Take this.
No!
stop! You know I have to pick these up.
Okay, well, so say bye to the viewers. That's the end of the video.
Bye, and remember, have fun squishing.
Have fun.
Squishy Kings out!